So just get me through your resume, Preeti.
Yeah, sir. Let me tell you, sir.
Yeah, just take it to me
Okay,
through
sir.
your resume.
Okay, sir. I, as you know, my name is Preeti Prajapati. I am from Gonda, but currently I am living in Delhi. As far as my qualification is concerned, I have done graduation in BSc from Faizabad University, and I have 2.6 year of experience in a troubleshooting hardware, software, GPS system. And my last previous company, I worked on LinkedIn profile like a PMP, RMP, ISO, all certificate. And my hobbies are dancing and listening to music. And my strengths are self-motivated and hardworking person. Yes, sir. That's all about me.
And what was your last working? What was the KRA in your last working?
Right now I'm working, and my last
What's your KRA over there?
uh, my role
Yes.
technical executive support.
Okay. So what's
I
your work?
handle I
Yeah.
handle a client and technician.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you get customer calls also?
Yeah, sir. Also, I have received a lot of many calls, and as well as I record the mail and voice process. So all of, and also I maintain the Excel, Google Sheet, also.
So, any specific issue you face, like a customer regular issue which you faced, and how you closed it, how you resolved that issue?
Yeah, there are a lot of problem I face on work time, but resolve it within timely because of I have a knowledge, and I talk to customer, be patiently, and carefully listen, and then I coordinate with the client. And if I not solve that, I talk to my manager and my team leader. But I will solve it.
Okay, where in Delhi you were staying?
Uh, I am Delhi in Kalka ji, nearby Govindpuri.
Okay, so if I hire you, how you will travel?
So no problem. I will relocate if I any problem because my hometown is Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. So no problem. Yeah.
Okay. And which all companies you worked? I can see you
Map my
worked
India.
currently working in Blue. Okay, so you worked in two companies only till now.
Sorry, sir. Could you repeat again?
I'm saying so you worked in two companies till now.
Yeah, sir. For my last previous company is Blue Morpho Learning, and my current company is Map My India.
So over there, you in Bluemont, you handle the engineer support and all these
Yeah. Yes, sir.
things related to. So what's that company was selling?
GPS related. GPS have device installed, and I check the data, fetch the audio intake and record. And if data is not fetched in the live data, so I coordinate with the client and my technicians and resolve it. Overall, all school project like school RFID, panic button. Do you know? I hope. And
Yeah.
so install the my company, and GPS installed also.
So what concern customer usually have over there? Like what kind of complaints you usually get?
My do you, yeah. Be. First of all, companies provide GPS, and then GPS technician go to the customer care, and customer install the device. And if there any problem, then talk to my client, my manager, and then I will resolve it. Like technician is device is not working properly, then I call it, and I timely provide like please reset device, and if you insert the SIM card and reset device again. So overall I coordinate with the call.
Okay.
On call.
So you know about our brand, our company.
Sorry.
You already aware about our company.
Yeah, sir.
What do you know about our company?
My company, sir.
My company.
Okay, sir. Your company is okay, no problem. As you know, your company is provide a coffee machine and is established. I think 2026. I think I read tomorrow and. Overall, he is established Hyderabad and Delhi, and overall, coffee machine is working like that. Not about whole, but a little bit I will read.
And you know which job you are applying for?
Uh, I have applied customer executive support like voice process as well as chat process.
Okay, so you have to call almost 40 to 50 customers every day.
Yeah, sir, definitely, no
You have to
problem.
generate, we will generate the leads, you will call, then you will get one more person is there who's going to report to him, and the next call that person will do. So you both together, you have to close the calls and do a business of around 40, 50 lakh rupees per month.
Uh,
You care about this?
yes, sir, no problem. Yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to ask?
Sir, what is your timing shift office? Please let me
9:30
know.
to 6:30 is our timing.
Sorry?
9:30 to 6:30.
9:30. Yeah, no problem. And rotational shift? Yeah, fixed shift.
No, it's a fixed shift.
Okay.
Currently, you are in a rotational shift.
Yeah, sir. As well as night shift and day shift and Saturday, Sunday, everything. No.
No. This is like Sundays off,
Yeah.
and from 9:30 to 6:30 is your timing.
Okay. Okay, no problem, sir. Because my previous company was shift no shift is so 9:15 and 7 a.m. So no problem.
So this is a better job for you. 9:30 6:30 job.
Yeah, maybe. I hope try my best in your company
So
as well as
we'll
our.
get
Yeah, sir.
we'll let you know. Just give us a time. Either me or Vanika will let you know about the details.
Okay, sir. No problem.
How soon you can join if you hire you? How
Uh,
fast you can join?
sorry, sir.
When you can join if you hire you?
Within 15 days.
While you can join within 1 week.
I will try, sir. I told already. I informed my manager, so definitely I will join within time.
What's your notice period over there?
Within 15 days, but I will negotiable with my manager, so I can join within timely.
We'll let you know. Yeah. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir.